Hello guys. As you can see, my dad bought me a disposable camera. As you can see, I'm going to take the cardboard. I need to take this. I need to get this ready. So, because my teacher have to. Because the reason is I'm going. Will. Can't even see it. This is the hardest packaging I've ever done. Okay, there we go. Look, look out the to get this camera. You see, I haven't got. This one has got slightly different to my old one. I'm not going to take off the cardboard just yet. Here we go. This is the camera right here. It's just like my other one, but this one has got some slightly nicer. See, take the window here. You can see this is where you look through here and take the photo. It's only got 27 shots. I'm not going to take a photo right now because I get into trouble. I might, guys. I am going to take off the cardboard, but not until. I'm going to keep the cardboard on so I can protect it, because I don't want to That's the last camera I got. The last disposable camera I got was a. It was a WOW. It said WOW on it. It WOW. It was a bit more colourful than this, but it was at the same time. It just wasn't decorated this, but I'm just not going. Now this one, I don't know how you operate, but there's the little dial. You turn that when you took a photo, and if you want to read this information, pause the video. This is the side, which has a bunch of nothing. This is the press hold flash button. That's the flash. The other side's got a bunch of nothing, and here's the flash ready light. So you've got raining pictures so it's a very nice camera. I'm very excited to use this. Well, it's made in China. If you want to see the box, we'll see the box here. So yes, I'm going to be using this in the next few days. But guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and this will be it. Enjoy!